Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by heating the stainless steel wok until it's hot and dry. Once the pan shimmers, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of high smoke oil and tilt to coat the surface. Make sure the food is patted dry, moisture causes sticking. Then place items in a single layer, leaving space to sear. You'll hear an immediate sizzle, that's the Maillard reaction starting. Move quickly but deliberately, and keep heat at medium-high so surfaces brown without burning. Once your initial sear is done, continue cooking in controlled batches to preserve high heat. Don't crowd the wok or steaming will occur. After each batch, lower heat slightly, then deglaze with a 1/4 cup of stock, wine, or water to lift brown fond. That builds flavor and prevents sticking. Use a metal spatula to scrape and reincorporate those bits. Then add remaining ingredients and toss or stir-fry briskly, so everything heats. To finish, lower heat and add sauces toward the end. If a sauce is very thick, remove the wok from heat and stir it in to avoid burning. Once done, transfer food so the residual heat doesn't overcook. If something sticks, let the wok cool slightly, add a splash of oil or liquid, and gently release with a spatula. Forcing it can warp the pan. Clean with warm water and a wooden brush, then dry immediately to prevent spotting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.